welcome back to a brand new video. Now today's video is an exciting one. I've not done this type of video before, but I feel like it's been about a year now since I have transitioned into becoming a lifestyle channel, and part of that is vlogging. So if you want to become a lifestyle channel, or whether you just want to start putting vlogging into your channel niche or just be a vlogging channel, I've got my 4 tips for you in this video. Let's get into it. So the first tip is do smooth transitions. Now while I'm talking about this, there will be a couple of mixed clips that become like smooth transitions. Now I've got cerebral palsy, so they might not be all smooth, and like I said, it's only been like a year that I've proper got into like vlogging, so my transitions are not as smooth yet. But if you can make your transitions smooth, try and make them smooth. But the video that I'm showing you is just a little thing that I do in my next vlog that's coming up, that them clips will be in it. So you will see the full vlog in full, how that flows by. But having transitions in general, whether that's from walking down the stairs to having your breakfast, like just that transition in general, is from I've woke up, I've went downstairs, now I'm making my breakfast. So just how vloggers say on here is, it just makes the story flow a bit more, because even though you're vlogging your life, you're technically showing a story. So you need to do from like step from if you can do from waking up. Some people record themselves, but we all know it's not really them generally waking up, but like making out that they've just woke up. So if I did my camera here and then I got into bed and then stayed there for a couple of seconds, so like the clip isn't too hard to edit, and then I took my blanket off, and then I woke up and did like a and then I recorded my feet. I went downstairs, did a cup of tea or my breakfast. That'd be a smooth transition, because it just looks natural, even though when someone's watching you do that, there's literally loads of clips. But when you're watching it back, it's so relaxing, I want to say. Especially for the lifestyle vloggers I watch, when they do that type of stuff, it is like, it flows into the vlog. And I prefer doing that at the start of the vlog. So it's like, morning guys. Now this is what I'm going to do today. So that's like the beginning of my vlog now. Now I still do this, but I still stand by the wording of what I wrote down, and this is what I hear all the time. But I know it's harder than said. But show, don't tell. Now I put show, don't tell too much. Now I think personally you should have a bit of, this is what I'm doing today, or just if there's something that you can't explain or you don't want to show, like today I went into the hot tub. I don't want to vlog myself in the hot tub, so I could be like, oh, I've just been chilling and I went in the hot tub, now I'm going to do this. Or you could just leave that clip out. Like in the vlog that's coming after this video, I literally go from on the chair to eating ice cream. Like no one will know except you guys. But like some things you can leave out if your vlog has so much footage, or you just think it's not going to flow with the type of vlog you're doing. But then some, you might need more clips than other type of vlog, just because you're not doing that much on that day. But that leans in with my other tip. So let's get into it. My other tip is kinda plan your vlog. Now I say kinda, some vloggers plan their full day. Like, I am not like that. I am that type of person who will just wake up and be like, I'm doing quite a lot today, I'm going to vlog it. But also, I'm not going to wake up and be like, I don't know what I'm going to do today, so I'm going to vlog. Like, that's going to be a rubbish vlog. Like, honestly. Now, I'm not saying I've got perfect vlogs. I feel like my vlogs are quite relaxed and quite chill in itself anyway, because I don't do much, to be honest. But like, days like today, like, I'm doing a vlog that's like being productive after a heatwave in the UK. And even today, I wasn't that productive, but I thought I was going to be productive. And now I am at 7:30 at night. But it was cooler today, but it was not cool enough to be in my room, sitting, filming a vlog or filming this video. So I waited till later on. So I'm still being productive, but just not right away, because I didn't think it was going to be this hot again. I'm not complaining, but I am British, so let me complain. It's been hot. What I mean by plan your day is more, if you are going shopping, not every single time you have to do this, but if you are going shopping and one day you're going shopping and you just want to remember that memory, or whether it's just like I said, remembering that memory. I could have filmed on Monday and Tuesday and been like, called it UK's hottest weather, but one, I didn't have the motivation because it was just too hot to do anything. I had a headache, everything, like I just had no motivation to do anything because of the heat. But I could have done that, and it would have been great content for you, and it would have been a great memory to look back on for me, but I didn't. But planning your vlogs, I mean in terms of what you're doing this week, what is exciting, but also remembering that some things you just want to take in the moment. Like, I keep on going back to, I could have vlogged on Monday and Tuesday, but I didn't. But it's just an example. I could have vlogged on Monday and Tuesday. Yes, I had no motivation. Yes, it was too hot. But also, we rarely, especially Scotland, we rarely get hot weather. Like, we normally have rain in three summer days, if that, in summer. The rest are like chilly. It's weather to put on a coat. Right now, it's not weather to put on a coat. I don't know what my point was. I'm just ranting about the weather. This is not the point of the video. It just shows how much shows that I'm a British person. I'm just trying to say, like, fine. Oh yeah, I remember my point. I'm so sorry. So relating to the weather, brain function. I'll be back. Yeah, sorry about that. I want to keep that in because it just shows I spread awareness to hidden and physical disabilities as well. And I've got cerebral palsy and a learning disability and loads more. So I also want to show you guys this is the reality of vlogging, especially in a heatwave. But what I was saying is remembering to vlog on those days that might be exciting or might be memorable, that you want to remember. But also have them moments that it's like, no, I want to remember this in my brain. But yeah, on to the next and final tips and advice, and then I'm just going to generally just talk about vlogging and what I think and if it's a good niche or not to go in. Last and final tip is find your edit style. Now, I do videos like this all the time. I used to do loads of videos like this. Now I am starting to do them more often, but relating it to topics that I'm passionate about. Like, I am passionate about fashion and makeup and everything like that, but I would prefer that to be in my vlogs. But I still do these types of videos. But relating to vlog style videos, find your style. Like, this can be related to anything. If you are watching this and you don't know if you want to be a vlogger or not, find different editing styles. And that means also filming different videos or vlogging different ways. Because the way you film or vlog is the way you'll be able to edit that video. So if you don't like smooth transitions, don't put them in. I quite like my time lapses, I quite like my smooth transition, and then it goes into me speaking probably a bit too much, but then it goes back into me doing something. I don't know if you guys like that, but I get quite a lot of views, I think, from that, and quite a lot of people watch it for longer since I've done that, and I like that editing style. So you need to find something that works for your audience, but also you will find your audience in something that you love as well. So try and focus on that, but not too much. Mainly focus on the type of editing style, the type of video that you enjoy. So whether that's content day in my life, as a content creator, I love filming these videos. Today is a type of vlog like that, is a content day in my life after the UK heatwave. Or you can film a clean with me. There is so many different videos that are presented as style of vlogs. Like a clean with me is technically a vlog, but mainly based on cleaning, but you're filming it in a vlog style. So vlogging is a style of editing as well, because I'm not doing, this will be edited way different than my vlog. I'm just sitting down here and chatting with you guys, and then I'll probably have just some text there saying these little tips, and then that will be the video. Depends how long it is, but these types of videos take me longer to edit because I talk more in them and I can make mistakes because of my speech and my learning disability and cerebral palsy. But some people might not have that, I do. So these types of videos take longer to edit. So yes, I love filming these. But I do prefer editing and filming a vlog. Doesn't mean I'm not going to do these types of videos, but it just takes longer for me to edit these types of videos because I don't like the editing style as much. So in between all these tips that I have told you, remind yourself what type of editing style you like, or if you don't know what type of editing style you like, try and test things out, film different angles, film different ways. I've started to film while I do the duvet. I'll film that way to do my bed and then put the camera that way to do like this duvet thing. So it's just finding your different ways of filming and editing. That is the video. I want to give my quick little tip, but I just want to say, like, I know vlogging is big and niche right now, and most YouTube channels or most YouTubers, whether you're young or an old YouTuber, I don't know what you would say I was because I've been doing this for 4 years, but I've only just started growing, so I don't know what you would like to call me, a young YouTuber or a big YouTuber. But depending whether you're a small YouTuber or a big YouTuber, don't go into something that you do not like. You can test things out wherever you are in your growth, on your YouTube platform or your TikTok platform or your Instagram platform. Yeah, you might need to go back to what you're used to and what your audience is used to. But if you find a style of editing or a style of filming that you enjoy, do it. Because you're going to be more passionate about filming and editing, and you won't be just doing it to be able to get paid. That is the main goal, obviously. And don't tell me that that's not your main goal, because I know for sure it's it. But it's more the fact of, if you did not get paid, would you still be doing that? Would you be still doing them style of videos? That's the truth. If you knew you could not get paid, would you still be doing that? And I'm still not getting paid by this. I've been doing it for 4 years, and even if I ever get paid, obviously that's the end goal. But if that never happens, then I just grow my audience and show you guys the life that I live and spread awareness to hidden and physical disabilities, that's the best I can ask for. Like, I did not know one of my goals would be helping people. Like, I know this isn't relating to the video, but like, in so many different ways you can help people by filming these types of videos and talking about topics that you love, that you're passionate about, or that you go through, like my disability. I did not know that one of my goals would be making disabled people or non-disabled people confident in their disabled body or non-disabled body. But it is. When people say to me like, I'm way more confident now since following you on TikTok and listening to all your advice, that literally melts my heart. So I just want to end this video on saying, don't go into a niche that you just want to go in because it's going to make you famous. I accidentally went into disability content. I just generally tried out vlogging and I quite enjoyed it, and I still do. So they are the styles of editing styles, filming style, niches that I am in. That doesn't mean that I can't do a fashion video one day. I do mainly disability videos on my TikTok, but I add in a video about making a hot chocolate, saying this is my outfit for today, bam bam bam. I do them videos as well, and people still love them. You'll get to that point that people will start following you for your personality and who you are, not for the type of stuff you are doing. Obviously, if you are doing something like what I am doing, they're going to relate, but they will start liking your personality more than the niche that you're talking about. So I want to end it on there. I hope this video gave you some inspiration or let you know if you wanted to become a vlogger or not. I quite enjoy it. I love vlogging my day. Like I said, I love the editing style of vlogging as well. Let me know in the comments what you think after watching this video. Are you going to become a vlogger on your own YouTube channel? Bye!